Okay, good evening. Yes, hello there. Good evening, my dear boy. How are you? Happy Friday evening. Huh? What is that? Is that food? Oh, that's a scar. Okay, all right. Put it down. And are you ready? I'm. Are you ready? I'm ready. Complete sentence. Hey, okay? So you can practice more longer sentences, okay? So what are we going to talk about tonight? Let's share. Hey, 212.1. Oh, hmm? Yeah, that's 212.1. Where is it? 212.1. This is 3, 2. Ah, okay. Let me just pull up the lesson of 2. Where is it? 212.1. Okay, here. 212 and 1. Ah, this is interesting. This is about, can you read this one for me? How do you read this? Famous. Say it again. Famous city. Yeah, so famous cities. Okay, so when we hear about Vietnam, what comes to our mind are famous cities. Again?
Famous cities. Những thành phố nổi tiếng.
Ah, yes, famous cities. What about you, Hehe? Where are you from again? Are you from Japan?
No.
Are you from Korea?
No.
Are you from China?
No.
From Philippines?
Nothing.
Oh, where are you from?
Nothing.
Huh? No? Where are you from?
Nothing.
Where are you from? Give me a nice correct answer. Where are you from? What country are you from? Hehe.
You shredded.
I am from.
I
Wait, later. You will read. No. You will read this later, okay? What? Where are you from?
nothing.
I am from.
I am nothing.
Not nothing. You always say nothing. Nope. No. You are from.
No.
Where's my eye? You wanna talk to my eye and daddy?
No.
Oh, where are you from? I am from. You forgot? Where are you from? Teacher Merle is from Philippines. What about you? Where are you from?
Nothing.
Why you always say nothing? If this is your exam, you will fail. You don't answer properly. Where is that flag? I want to show you where. See, this is where you are from, right? You are from Vietnam. Say, I am from Vietnam.
No.
How will we study if you always say no, nothing? Oh no. I am from Vietnam. Where are you from? I am from. You don't know where you're from? Or you're just joking, teacher Mo? Where are you from? I am from Vietnam. Say it again before we continue. I am from Vietnam.
No.
Where are you from? Focus now. Focus, please.
Nothing. No. I know.
Say, I am from Vietnam.
I don't know.
I from Vietnam. Where are you from? Please listen. I am from. Come on. We cannot continue the class if you do not participate. If you just say no, nothing, we cannot really learn anything. So you say, I am from Vietnam.
No, shut up.
Huh?
No.
Where are you from then? Tell me, where are you from? That's why I'm helping you, my dear boy. Where are you from? Are you from planet Mars? Are you from planet Jupiter? You're from Vietnam. That's your country. Again,
I'm from Neptune.
I am from Vietnam.
Neptune.
Come on, take it seriously. Okay? Famous cities. So tell me, what are famous cities in Vietnam?
I don't know.
What? Come on, help yourself. What are famous cities in Vietnam? What are famous cities in Vietnam? I know a lot. What about you?
I don't know.
You always say, I don't know nothing. What's that? Ho Chi Minh. We have Ho Chi Minh, right? We have Da Nang. What else? Da Nang. You also have how do I pronounce this? Hoi An. Hoi An. You have Hue. Do you know these places? These are cities. Okay? Cities. And can you read this one? Read this one. City.
City. The city is very special.
Famous.
Famous.
Yes, famous. Famous.
Famous.
New York City. That's New York City, okay? There. And New York City looks like this. Wow, a lot of people like this place. Okay, New York City. Ta-da! Wow, look. Yes, this is New York. Okay, there. Right. Again, that is New York. What about here? Town. Say town.
There are many houses in the town.
In the town. And what about here?
It's
World.
a map
Oh,
of the world.
very good. It's the map of the world. Okay. It's like this. Where's that map? Like this. But this is the Asian map. All right. Yes. This is the Asian map. Okay. Here. Can you find Vietnam? Where is Vietnam?
I don't see.
Here. This is Vietnam. This green one here is Vietnam. This is where you are. Teacher Mer lives here in the Philippines. I am here. You are somewhere here. Okay?
I'm far away.
Yes, yeah, no. Maybe we can meet halfway. You swim in the South China Sea. I'll swim halfway.
I don't know sweet.
Oh yeah, we don't know how to swim. Okay, let's just have the airplane then. Yeah. Yes. Okay. There. And what else? So this is the Asian map. Okay. Asian map. Right. Now, what about here? So this is the map of the world. Okay. And here, what is number 1? Town. Number 2?
City.
Yep. And world. World. Say it again. World. Okay. What about you? Hey, hey, hey. Do you live in a town or a city? Where do you live? Ho Chi Minh is a city or a town?
City.
Yes, Ho Chi Minh is a city, like New York, right? Why? Why say like this?
No.
Ho Chi Minh is a city. There are lots of buildings, lots of houses too, lots of schools and hospitals, and cars, tall buildings. A town is like,
Bike.
huh?
Bike.
What is it?
Bike.
Big?
Bike.
Bikes. Bikes? Not, not bakes. Bikes. Yes, not bakes, okay? Bake is different from bike. Bike is something you use to ride. Bake is when you bake a cake, okay? Bikes. Open your mouth, right? Yep. Okay, so you are living in Ho Chi Minh and it's a city. Oh, you're not from Ho Chi Minh? Where are you from?
City.
Huh?
City.
Yeah, what is the name of your city?
No.
Huh, you don't know? Are you from District 1, District 2? Yeah, where exactly? Huh. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, you're from Ho Chi Minh. It's a city, okay? Always remember that. I'll show you Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh. See, Ho Chi Minh City. So there, wow, look. There are tall buildings and lots of motorbikes and bikes. This is a city, okay? City, all right? Yes. Now, this is a city. Now, I want to show you towns. Towns in Vietnam. Okay, here. So see, a town, okay, most of them, they have just really few houses, okay, like this one. Very small markets. There. Compared to a city, they're even near rivers, oceans, and seas. Yeah. What hometown provinces? Like this one too. Provinces in Vietnam. Here. Hometown. This one. Oh no. Here, maybe this one. These are towns. Okay. Yes. Have you been to these places? Hehe. So these
No.
towns, okay? Towns just have, so, yeah, this one. Look, some live in the mountains, okay? Wow, this is so nice in the countryside, okay? Let's check to read this one. And New York is Very famous. That is picture number. What picture?
2.
2. And can you read number 2? Picture number?
2.
Huh? Picture number?
3.
Wait. You're
No,
confused.
2.
There are many houses in the town. So it's this one. Right? And
3.
this is, what do we call this again? It's called?
Oh,
You forgot it. It's the, you call it the map, map of the world. Map of the world. Okay? Here, it's a map of the world. All good?
I have a 10 minutes.
You have 10 minutes? Yes. Okay. What is this city's name?
10 minutes. I am 10 minutes. I don't see you anymore.
Okay, yes.
Nobody.
What is this? What is the city's name? What is this city's name? What is the city's name? Yeah. What is the city's name? Help yourself.
Oh no.
See, you're not listening maybe. Oh no, that's going to be a big problem. Do you still remember what I told you about this?
The city name is New York.
New York City. Say it again. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm. The city
The city
name
name is New
New York. New York City.
York.
Yeah. The city's name is New York. Again, that is New York City. Okay. What about number 2? What can you see in this town? There are
lots of there are lots of the house.
there are lots of houses. Okay. In this town. Alright. What map is this? Is this the Asian map?
This is map.
It
This
map.
is
This is the
hey,
The-
not
Sí, hola.
the
map
map.
map of the
The world.
world. Okay, that is correct. Hehe. Yes, this is the map of the world. Okay, I'll give you
Congratulations!
congratulations. Hehe. That is right. Okay. Now, where do you want to live? I want to know. Where do you want to live? Hehe. Do you want to live in the city or the town?
City.
I want to live in the...
City.
Where do you want to live?
City.
Huh? Put that
City.
down. Put it down. Put it down. Okay. Where do you want to live?
City.
I want to live. Complete sentence, my dear. I want to live in the city. Again.
And after the chimney.
I want to live in the city.
Yes.
Yeah. So, where are you from in Ho Chi Minh? Where are you from in Ho Chi Minh?
Yes.
You don't know your place?
No. No.
Huh?
No.
Vietnam. Where you yes, but you should know where exactly in Vietnam are you from. Okay. Like my student, he is from Go Vap Ward. Do you know that place? I don't know that place. You know that place? Go Vap Ward. I don't know where that is. You know that place? Oh yeah. This one, he said he is from Go Vap Ward 9. Ah, like this one. I'll show you Ho Chi Minh. This one, Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, so this is where he is. This is his place. Go Vap. Yeah. So what about you? Where are you from? Maybe you have to ask mom and dad where you from, okay?
Vietnam.
Where?
Vietnam.
Here, look.
Nam.
Yes, you are from Asia. You are from the country Vietnam. Where in Vietnam? You are in Ho Chi Minh. But where in Ho Chi Minh are you from? Are you from? You can say District 1. Okay, go Vap. What's this? Go Vap. District 5.
Ba.
District 5. What else? And a lot more. Huh? Chicken?
Chicken.
No, what chicken? Yes. So, always try to remember where you're from, okay? What if you get lost? You don't know where to
Bye-bye.
go home. Answer this one.
In the
New York City. Is New York City famous? Is New York City famous?
I
New York City is very famous. Okay.
New York is very famous.
Famous. Say it again. Famous.
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 Famous. When we say famous, it's popular. Famous is?
Nổi tiếng. Famous.
Yeah, famous. Ho Chi Minh is famous too. Yeah. Famous. What about here? What is your city's town's name?
Chile.
Where?
Chile.
Chile? Where? See? Where? You have again?
Vietnam.
Vietnam is the country. We call it country. Where in Vietnam are you? Where in Vietnam are you from? Da Nang, Dalat, Hanoi, Sapa. Where? China? Huh? Ni hao ma? You're from China? Where? Shanghai, Beijing? Where? Guangzhou? Again?
Elsa.
Outside? You're from Vietnam. You're not from China. You're from Vietnam, okay? All right. Yes. Okay. So always remember, Vietnam is a country. Ho Chi Minh is a place in Vietnam. Okay? Where are you from? I am from Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Okay? Yes. I don't know if you're from Ho Chi Minh. I'm just guessing. So you will ask mommy and daddy where exactly your place is. Okay? Okay? Okay. So which city do you like? Do you like London? Do you like New York, Shanghai, or Ho Chi Minh? What do you like?
Alice.
I like
New. I want Alice.
you like
Alice.
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 Is that
Others.
all of this?
Others.
Others. Oh, so you have to open your mouth, my dear baby boy, okay? Okay, I like others. What others do you mean? You like Ho Chi Minh? What cities do you like? What do you like?
Hồ Chí Minh. Hồ Chí Minh.
Now, I like Ho Chi Minh City. Say a complete sentence. I like, go, go, go. I like
I like
Ho Chi Minh City.
E.
Mm. I like Ho Chi Minh. Yes. Okay. Always
Okay.
remember that. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any question for teacher? Yeah. Do you have any questions so far?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Just check and review the notes that I will send mommy, okay? Teacher Miller will see you, I don't know when, but I'll see you again, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Also, be a good boy. You study hard, okay? Say bye-bye for now. See you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.